Blessed morning, my people. Welcome back to another video. You don't know, this morning I'll be making a traditional breakfast. Don't know, first thing I'll be making some Bissy tea, and I have these prepared already: nutmeg, cinnamon leaf, and my grater Bissy. So you don't know Bissy, known as cola nut, and I have my water prepared already. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these and set it and make it go and boil, and then now I go prepare me ackee, water and so forth, and then me pork, and then me dough to make me baked dumpling, the traditional baked dumpling. Don't know anything, just watch and stay tuned and see what I go on. And me have some pork I made it seasoned up already, so I just left few pieces if you had to me ackee and to me thing, and then I go blend me coconut to get me coconut juice. Yeah man, and then just watch what I go on, I have my water prepared already. I go add some salt to it and add some pimento berries and a leaf of bay leaf. Alright? I don't know. But I will not add no pepper to it because the ackee have been pepper already. I mean, it season up the pork with pepper so forth into it. So you know, use too much pepper to spoil the flavor of it. Alright? So I've made pork and thing seasoned up already and everything. So I'm going to add it to the water and so forth. Right? Yeah man. So if you want, you can wait till when your water start boil up, you add in your pork. But so I'm going to do so many things. I add in my pork at the moment and set it on and make it go and boil and so. So you don't know? Yeah, you prepare Jamaican traditional pork and ackee. Yeah man, and then I go get my flour knead up. Traditional breakfast. Yeah man, because I go bake the dumpling in the pot. I go use no charcoal. You see, so you don't know the thing, man. I go set on with pork now. You can go and boil for about 30 minutes. You see it, or 25 minutes. Don't have my water here prepared already. So I'll go ahead and add in some salt, and then have my thyme wash already, scallion wash, pimento wash, pepper wash already. So go add in my thyme, add in my scallion, throw in the pimento berry, and I will not use all of this pepper. I will use piece because this pepper is very hot and you don't want to use all of it and spoil the taste of the ackee, meaning that too much pepper you cannot enjoy your breakfast. So I will just cut off a piece of the pepper. Yeah, that is the amount. Yeah, then I'm gonna go set the man, and then when the water gets hot now, I add in my ackee and so forth. So yeah, the man, watch what I go on. The dough, to make me baked dumplings, so I go add in some flour. Then I go add in some baking powder. Yeah man. That is good enough. Then I'm going to add in some butter, alright? Yeah man, they do a soft and fluffy and nice. Yeah man. Yeah man, if you add in my butter and thing, you see it. Oh gosh man. Yeah man. Knead it up and thing. Yeah man, and get him out of the way. Alright? Yeah man. soft and everything. Yeah man, fully active. So I'm gonna make him stay for 1 hour. Yeah man. Bissy no need your dough. I make him sit for 1 hour. Make the baking powder activate in him fully. So no everything fully active. Yeah man. If you want to stay tuned and watch your go on. I'm gonna blend up my coconut now. It had to make Bissy tea when you strain them off and everything. So don't go ahead already and cut up my coconut and wash it. But this coconut when I use, it is not 100% dry because of Bissy tea I put it in. So I use the 80%. So you know, so you have that creamy look in the juice. When you blend it up and so forth, we go to your Bissy. Because if I use a dry coconut to go in your Bissy tea, it never give it that creamy look and that nice taste. That's what I say? Yeah man, so I just go ahead and blend up some of these coconut. Alright, so see the juice of it look? Creamy. Yeah man, this is a juice you want. We had in your Bissy and so forth. Yeah man, I had some boiling water to the coconut milk. Yeah man, so this is the best way now. So we take out all of the juice out of the trash. When I strain it, all the juice come out. Yeah man. I have to activate the coconut man and take out all of the juice out of it. Yeah man, that strainer, cause that one holds them in it fine. So I have to give it a second strain. Right, Ackee cook, so I'm going to switch him off. Bissy ready? Yeah man. Right, give pork for a few more minutes. My Bissy strain and thing. Wash out my pot now and give him a second strain. Okay, you don't know you don't want no jugs in it. Alright. You see it? Good thing we run it through. Yeah man. So the thing set up man. Alright. Work ready and thing. So I'm gonna go switch him off and throw off the water and throw off the water also off of the Ackee. This is where it all begin. Where I'm gonna go add the main ingredients to my Bissy tea to get the taste right, like back in the days, Bissy tea. Alright, so you don't know anything go, just watch what I go on. I go taste it now and see what it's short of. If you need a little more salt, yeah man, you don't know anything going on. Alright, you need a little bit more salt. I'll go ahead and add in the salt. Because it's the salt that bring up the taste of the Bissy. No matter what you put in it, you get the nice traditional taste of Bissy out the grandparents them do it is the salt bring up the taste in it. No matter you had your vanilla, your rose water and so forth in it, no matter how you spice it up, it's the salt give it the finishing, right? But for people who have pressure and so forth and can't use salt, you can try it same way without the salt, alright? Yeah man, so I tell you say the Bissy are the bomb man. Yes babe, right here, see, yeah man. Put it back on the fire and make it preheat so the coconut juice scald as well whole time people would say, yeah man. I go get me dough up and running. Yeah man. See how it looking soft? Yeah man. Man, so me have my pot already on the stove. You don't know me. I go and make my dumpling and put them in and show you what I want. You see what I say? Yeah man. The traditional way. Yeah, go you see it. Yeah man. What I go on? Yeah man, I go show you as him catching color and me turn him over. You don't know. You want a traditional baked dumpling. You can bake it also upon the charcoal outside if you want, you know. Yeah man, but me I do it in the pot. You see it? Yeah man. Alright. Yeah man, you see it? Yeah, that's how I want it. Even if I the fire cold I did bake it on, would I have these little color on it? Yeah, that's how I want it. You see what I say? Yeah man. See how them soft? Look here. See them soft? I have to press on it. Yeah man. Yes my people. Yeah, man, I'll just give him a little cover. 1 few minutes. Yeah man, and then me show you what I want with it. Yeah man. Alright, I'm gonna take them out now. Go add in my pork here now because my oil well hot, alright? I don't know. See how it's looking now? Yeah man, almost ready. Just flip them over a little more. Yeah. I'm not gonna make it fry too crispy, you know. No. Alright. Then ready now. I'm gonna take them out and then add in me seasoning and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and now and add in me piece of pepper, garlic, onion, scallion. I not use no time because I don't use time in the Ackee already. Think I not use more pepper than this because the pepper hot. Alright, I remember so you go add in the black pepper to it so you don't know it thing go. Looking good. So I just make the season fry up a little. Don't know. So the aroma and everything come out of the season and in the oil and everything. Yes. So I'll go ahead add in me Ackee now. Alright. Right, yellow, yeah man, I mean, yeah man, see, the amount of oil is right in here, alright, so now go ahead and hot black pepper first, alright, some people that had the pork, but me do it different, alright. With my black pepper. That amount of black pepper is good to me. And I will add a little cayenne pepper. Alright? So you don't know the black pepper hot already, cayenne pepper hot, and I put in scotch bonnet pepper. So I right amount of hotness in it. It don't over hot, alright? And then now I go add in my pork and alright. So next thing I go stir them up, alright? So normally I use a spoon. The spoon intends to mash up the ackee, you know. So I'm going to use a fork and give them a little stir, alright? So I'm looking. Yes. You see the black pepper, you see the cayenne pepper and thing. Yeah. Don't know a thing go man. Right? Don't know a man. So you know. I go add in few slices of tomatoes. But what I'm doing now, I don't put the tomatoes in the seasoning to fry out. I will put it right here, so yeah man. So the next few minutes time, it's up and running. Traditional breakfast cinnamon, pork, ackee with baked dumpling and Bissy tea. Yeah man, so I think that man. So I'll give him a little cover here now. Oh man, I'll make everything go flavor out. Yeah, and then me turn down my stove a little. Yeah, see it there? Yeah man. Turn it down a little. Yeah. So that the amount of heat there. Yeah man, they make it see my right way and thing. Alright, so stay tuned man and watch what I go. I'm gonna show you all the things set man. That's with the ackee and pork here now. So I'm gonna dish out some and show you what I go on, alright? Yes, my people, see it here? Yeah man. Traditional baked dumpling with pork and ackee and a great Bissy tea, otherwise known as cola nut. Yeah man. See it? Yeah man, gonna have a good look at it man. Yeah man, the traditional breakfast this. Yes man. Get it to me done. I go fry up the pork and look about the ackee with oil. I say me nah fry no dumpling. I go do it the traditional way. Bake it and thing. Yeah man. So can see now. See dumpling here. Look. Finger go right through it, soft and everything. I go break it and show you. Yeah, man, see it? Bake properly man. So you don't know what me people, no just subscribe, like, share and comment. Yeah, man. So bless upon yourself, you know. Peace. I'm out.